This is the tricky part. Look at this spider was molting. Whoa, look at their leg, bro. Wow. Ooh. No. Wait. Ooh, this is the Bombardier beetle. Whoa, you see that? Ooh. Wow, you see that? Wow. Wow, way, bro. This one is bigger than I expect. Wow, you see? This is the chameleon. What the heck? Holy crap. Oh no way. It was a escape. What the heck is that, bro? Wow. Whoa. My god. Whoa. This is the tricky part. Look at this spider was molting. What the heck? Look at that. Look at her boyfriend. No way. Bro, trust me. This is it. I just see this one just on this place. Look at that. This whole spider was molting. Look at that. My god, that's so beautiful. Oh my god, look at that, bro. This is the rare moment when I found the spider was molting. What the heck? Wow, that's so amazing. Look at that. My god, that's... But guys, I think I'm not catch this one. Maybe if I catch this, maybe they can dead, bro. Wow, you see? This is the molting of the spider. And this is the young spider right now. Wow, look at that. Look at their boyfriend. I think they helpful to molting. Wow. So amazing. Whoa, look at their leg, bro. What the heck? Their leg. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, that's so amazing. Wow. This is my first time see the spider was molting. My lord, that's so amazing. Wow, you look at their leg, bro. What the heck? They use their spider webs to carry their body. Very nice moment. Wow. Spider was molt. Wait, I want to try to flip the banana leaf. Actually, there's many beds, you see? Yeah, like this one. Come on. There's a bed or not, bro? Oh no way, that's empty, bro. There's nothing a bed. Wow, this one again, bro. I see this species a lot around here. Wow, that's it. The chameleon, but it's still a very baby. But I want to try to take this. I can. Oh no! It was jumping. What the heck? What is going on? Where are you? Wait. Oh no! What the heck? There was an escape, bro. I'm too late. Whoa! Finally, I just got this chameleon, but it's still very baby. What the heck? Look at that. That's so cute. Wow, my god, look at that. Whoa. Come on, this one, my first lizard. Wow, look at that. That's so cute, bro. That's so tiny. Oh my god, look at that. That's so beautiful lizard. Oh no way, I found a lot of this species in around of there, bro. Wow, you see? This is the golden orb spider. Wait, but I want to check this. What the? How big is this one? Whoa! Look at that. Oh no way, look at the spider webs. It's the golden color. That's why they call the golden orb spider. Oh no way, you see that? That's so very strong, bro. Oh no. Wait, oh my god. Whoa. That's it. It's the golden orb spider. Whoa. I know how to take this one. No, wait on my hand right now. What the hell is that? Whoa. And yep guys, that's it. This is my first one, golden orb spider. Yep, but guys, I think this still a medium size. Come on. Wow, that's it. It's my first golden orb spider. Wow, but actually they not molting, bro. Oh my god, look at that. Wait. Oh, it's on. What is it? Is it a banana leaf? Oh, no. Oh god, empty, bro. That's nothing bad. Oh, that's the bed, bro. Wow, look at that. It's the spinny spider. Hey, why you go? Ooh, what the heck? Look at that. This is the cavalry spider. Again. Oh, wait, I got it. Wow, is that? Wait, bro, let me show you. This is the, oh my god, look at that. The cavalry spider. I mixed with the giant golden orb spider. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's it. The cavalry spider. Wait, bro. Look at how perfectly these spider webs. Wow. Look at that. Whoa, see? There's the spider. This the strawberry spider. Oh my god, but guys, I think this is still a baby. Still medium size. This a strawberry spider. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. Oh, 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 oh. Wait, I'm still seeing. This one, this spider web. It's got this strawberry spider. Whoa, look at that. It's still very baby. Wow, you see that? You must see this one. This is the strawberry spider webs. They are so beautiful. How they build these spider webs, bro. It's amazing. Ooh, look at that. It's my strawberry spider. Wow, look at that, bro. Maybe I want to add this dry leaf so they can hide on my dry leaf. Wow, that's it. There's one more again. Oh, this is the strawberry spider again, bro. Wow, look at this spider webs. This more giant than spider can I catch before. Whoa, look at that. Look at these spider webs. Oh, that's it. This is the strawberry spider. Wow, you see that? They're just hiding on the dry leaf. Oh, whoa, I got it. Oh, that's it. It's the strawberry spider. Look at these giant spider webs. Wow, it's so amazing. Look at that. They just use the dry leaf to make their home, bro. Wow, it's amazing. Whoop. Wow, that's it. Wow, the two strawberry spider right there on my box. Look at that. Oh my god, so perfect. Hey, what the heck? Look at that. There's the tiny spider webs, but I don't know what is this spider. What is types of the spider? You see? They same with the strawberry spider. They use the dry leaf to make a spider webs. Wow, you see? Maybe there's the weaver of spider web until I check this leaf. Wait, bro. I want to show you. There's the oh, look at that. There's the weaver of spider. Oh my god. Look at this spider. They just make a spider webs. They make the home and the dry leaf. Oh my god, look at that. But they're still very baby. Actually, they can grow again. Grow very big. And if you see this spider, bro, you Don't worry about the spider because they not have the poisonous and they can beat your hand. Whoa, look at it. Oh no. Wait, where are you? What the heck is this guy? Oh my god, bro, this is not good, bro. I'm just losing the a weaver of spider. What the heck on my hand, but I'm losing them. Hey bro, what the heck? Look at that. My golden orb spider attacked my strawberry spider. What are you doing now? What the heck is that? Look at this. No, it's not good, bro. My giant golden orb spider was attacking my strawberry spider. Hey, way, bro. Wow, look at that. That's the strawberry spider. Look at these spider webs. You see that? Whoa, that's a giant. This almost a giant size. Can I fall in this day? Whoa, no, no, they try to escape. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I got it. No way. You see that? This is giant. Whoa, they're on my simple toes right now. Wait, there you. Whoop. Oh no, it's so very strong. Whoa. No. Look at that. Come on, come on, come on. No way. No. They escaped. Whoop. Whoa. Whoa, I got it. Whoa. Look at that. In my simple toes right now. Wait, bro, I want to show you. Let me show you. Oh no way. Look at this beautiful spider. Wow, that's the strawberry spider, bro. Look at that. That's a giant size. Wow. Strawberry spider on my simple goes right now. What the heck, look at that. So beautiful. Yep, that's it. It's the giant strawberry spider. Whoop, whoop. Whoa, I got it. Wait, I want to show you. I want to mix with another spider like oh my god, look at that. Oh, that's it. The strawberry spider. Whoa, you see? That's it, the most giant strawberry spider gonna catch today. Wow, it's amazing. Hey, what the heck? Look at that. That's the Bombardier beetle. What the heck? This is the Bombardier beetle or not, bro? Wait, I want to try. Wait. Ooh, this is the Bombardier beetle. What the heck? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh, finally, I just got it. It's the Bombardier beetle. What the heck are you doing on? Right here, bro. Whoa, look at that. This is the Bombardier beetle, bro. Wait, bro, what if I mix this, the Bombardier beetle, whoa, with my chameleon? Where are you? Oh, that's it. It's the Bombardier beetle. Oh my god. Wow, let's go. Hey, no way, look at that. That's the bird nest, bro. I don't know. This is the bird nest or the mouse nest. You see? But guys, actually this is a giant. This is the big nest of the bird. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, oh. No, it's so difficult. Wait. We calm down. I want to try to take this whoa, this nest. Whoa, no, look at that. Wait, bro, that's it. I'm almost done with this nest. Oh my god, that's the bird or not, bro? Wait, calm down. Oh my god, I think that's empty. Oh no way. Look at that. Wait. What the heck? Look at that, bro. That's the spider web. Woo! That's the strawberry spider. Oh my god, I'm not expecting if I just take this bird nest and I just found the strawberry spider. Wow, wait. Let's take this. Ooh, this strawberry spider. Wow, you see that? This is the strawberry spider and this is the nest. Wow. Oh my god, look at that, bro. This is the bird nest. Oh my god, but this empty. What the heck? This the bird nest or the mouse nest, bro? Wow, you see? My lord. Oh, this empty. There's nothing bird or the mouse, you see? Yep, I think it's empty. There's nothing out here. Wait, what the heck? Look at that, bro. That's the bird nest. Hey, what the heck? That's the bird nest or... There are no. Oh, wait. That's the bird. That's the bird, bro. Wow. I want to show you. Oh, that's the bird. Wait. Wow, you see that? Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. Wow. What? Fly. Oh my god. Wow. That's it. Whoa. My god. But guys, I think I'm not catch this. Wow, you see? Oh, there's three birds. Wow. Look at that. But guys, I think I'm not take this one. I want to catch this again. So their mommy not afraid with their baby. Yeah. Wow. Wait. It's the beetle. It's the deadly insects eaten by ant. Wow. Look at this ant. Oh, the beetle. Wow. It's the deadly insects eaten by ant. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Mole cricket eaten by ant. Wow. 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 Oh no. Fire ant attack the beetle. Wow. So many insects. Insects are not, bro. Wow. What's that? Wow. What's that? Wow. Larva. That's the giant larva. Wow. Giant. Wow. Look at this giant larva. Ooh. Wow, look at that. It's so creepy. Ooh. Look at this giant larva. Wow. Ooh. No. Wow, is that? That's so giant larva. Wow. Oh my god. So creepy. So strong. Wow. So creepy. No. Wow. It's giant. Anyway guys, I think this is really over. I've got so many but the spider types there. Wow, that's it. The jewelry spider, there's the golden orb spider, strawberry spider, there's the lizard, that's it. It's the Bombardier beetle. Yep, I think this is really over. Thanks for watching my video and see you in the video, and bye bye.